Who's that? Hi and welcome to Pack Buster. Today I got 3 packs of Universal Treasures. I got these packs on a website. It was 3 packs for $18. I'm going to open these up and see what I get. Hopefully some nice vintage cards. They say they contain cards from anywhere from 1952 to 1983. All Topps cards. So let's open these up and see what we get. Gotta be very careful not to cut the cards. Okay, what do we got here? 1967. Bill McCool. Nice card. I'm gonna put him on top. That's a nice old card. Mike Schmidt, 1980. Also another nice card. We'll give him second place. Daryl Thomas, a 1975 card. Nice condition too. These are in nice shape. Gaylord Perry, 1974. That one goes up there too. We'll put it right next to Mike Schmidt. Rod Carew, 1980. Nice card. Okay. We'll put him over here. 1979. Dave Johnson. 1983. Don Baylor. I have to say these cards are in nice condition. I thought there'd be a lot of dinged up cards, but it looks really good so far. Another 1967 Jim Davenport. We'll put him up here. Brooks Robinson, 1978. Wow, you know, this is actually probably it's a nice card. It's in nice shape. It's actually better than the cards on the bottom as far as I think its price. I don't know. The Gaylord Perry might be worth a lot too. But I'm going to put him up on top. Okay, 1979. Dave Rader. 1983. Phil Negro. Alan Trammell, 1981. We'll put him over here. Ron Hassey, 1982. And another 1981 card, Glenn Adams. Okay, last pack. Let's see. I'm trying to push the card, but it won't go. It could be a big card, guys. It could be a 1950s. I believe the Topps made cards that were bigger from 52 to 56. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. But it's so close to the edge. I'm hoping it's a big card. That's be really nice. Okay, it's going to be tough to cut this without cutting the card. I have to bring it in a little so I don't mess up here. Oh, wow. Pretty scary. Okay. Yes, it is a big card, I can tell. I hope I didn't mess it up. Looks pretty nice, but okay. 1967, that's the third 1967 card I got. Here we go. Oh, nice card. Reggie Jackson. 1977. That one's going to get #1 spot. I got too many cards up there, but I'm going to have to block off some of the 67 cards. There we go. Nice card. 77, Darryl Porter with the Brewers. Bucky Dent, 1980. New York Bud Harrelson. 1979 Topps. All-Star Pete Rose. And there is a big card in the back, guys. Let's see what it is. Go slowly. It's a Yankee. Gene Woodland. Nice card. Let me look at this and get it close up here. Wow, it's not bad. The centering is pretty good. We'll flip it over. 1952 Topps. And I'm thinking to myself, why couldn't it be the 1952 Topps Mickey Mantle? But you know what? That's a real nice card. And I know this card's got to be worth something. It's a Yankee. Got to be worth at least 50. Might even be more depending on the condition. Nice card. That's going to get #1 spot. Share the spot with #1 spot with Reggie Jackson. Right there. And even Brooks Robinson. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful card. Well, that's it for those 3 packs, guys. I appreciate you watching. I'll leave a link below where I got the cards. And I appreciate you guys watching again. Have a good night. Pack Buster out.